Hello, second graders. Today we're going to be rereading The Big Store. So there are many jobs that must be done to run the big store. In what order are these jobs done? We'll be thinking about that when we're rereading that story out of our Start Right Reader. We're also going to be reviewing some words and skills so we can identify the order in which the jobs at Big Store is done. But first we're going to practice our high frequency words. So we're going to be playing snap and clap with our high frequency words. So we're going to snap our fingers when we see a vowel in the word and clap our hands when we say a consonant. So let's do number 8 together. Let's say the word first. Those. So remember, we're going to snap our fingers when we say a vowel and clap our hands when we say a consonant. So let's do it together. T-H-O-S-E. Good job. Now I want you to pause the video and play snap and clap with all of our high frequency words. You may do that now. Awesome. I hope you guys had some fun practicing those high frequency words and playing snap and clap. We're now going to play with sounds in words. So just like yesterday and previously in lessons, we have worked on adding and deleting sounds out of beginning and ends of words. So we're going to practice that a little more today. So again, each of my tiles is an individual sound. So my first tile is going to be A, and then the second one is D. So I have add. I want to add to the beginning of add. So I'm going to move down my and now we have add. What is my new word? Mad. Great job. Let's practice some more. So my sound right here is or. I want to add the k sound at the beginning of or. If I move down k and then I have or, what would my new word be? Core. Good job. Let's practice a couple more. Now I'm going to have k or like we just did, but I want to add the s sound at the beginning. So I'm going to move down my s sound, and now we have s k or. That one's a little tricky. What is my new word? S k or. If you said score, you were correct. Great job. Now we're going to practice taking away some sounds to form new words. So again, our tiles represent individual sounds, and so when we say the sound, we're going to take it away and see what our new word is. So our first sound is and our second one is R. I want to take away the sound at the beginning of that word, and that leaves me with what word? Remember, we had R. R. Great job. Let's try another one. This one's a little longer, so make sure to listen closely. We have p, a, n, t, s. P, a, n, t, s. I want to take away that beginning p sound, so I'm going to move my p out of the way, and then we have a, n, t, s. If you said ants, good job. Let's try another one. Our word is R, T, P, R, T. I want to take away that beginning P sound, and now we are left with R, T. What word do those two sounds make? Art. Great job. Let's try one more. We're going to take away the sound from the end of the word. Our word is O-D. O-D. I want to take away that D sound at the end. And what is my new word? We have O. What do those sounds, what word does it make? O. Toe. Great job. So we've also been learning a lot about the O-R sound. And what does the O-R say? Or. And we have a picture of an organ right here, and we hear that OR sound at the beginning of organ. And we have also learned that the letters OR together or the letters ORE together, they both make that OR sound. They can be in the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word. So let's blend some words using that OR sound. So here we have our first line. Let's just say each individual sound by itself. Let's go. A, Z, OR. And that A right there is making the long A sound, so it's going to say its name. Let's try those again. A, Z, OR. So again, we see two vowels that are separated by a consonant. So that's going to tell us that this word has two syllables. So here in line 2, we separated our two syllables. So let's just blend our two syllables together. Ray, Zor. Ray, Zor. And on our third line, let's blend those syllables together so we can hear our final word. Razor, razor. Great job. Let's try another one. Say each individual sound with me in line 1. B, or, b, or. And remember, when we see that O-R-E together, that's going to make the what sound? Or. Great job. Let's blend it again. B, or, b, or. Let's put those two syllables together finally and say our final word. Bore, bore. Let's try a longer word. We have a longer word here, and we're going to just say each individual sound that is shown in line 1. So do it with me. Sh, or, t, k, t. Sh, or, t, k, t. And again, we see two vowels in this word that's separated by consonants. So that's going to tell us we have how many syllables in this word? 2. Good job. So we have separated our syllables. So let's just say each individual syllable. Short, cut. Blend it with me. Short, cut. And finally, we're going to put those two syllables together and we're going to say our final word. Shortcut, shortcut. Good job. Alrighty, friends. Now I want us to read each line of words together and just talk about what we've noticed that we see in the words. So go ahead and pause the video and read both line 1 and line 2 of words. I want you to be thinking about how are these words similar and how are they different. So go ahead and pause your video and practice reading those words. Alrighty. Now that you have tried to read those words on your own, let's read them together. Score, snort, snore, sport. Let's read line 2. Acorn, stormy, newborn, and horsefly. What did you notice about all of those words? They all have the or, the O-R sound, or. But they're different because some have just O-R and some have O-R-E, right? Okay, now we're going to read a couple sentences, so I want you to pause this video and read line 3 and 4, and then come back and we will read them together. So you may go ahead and pause the video and read these on your own. Okay, let's start with line 3. Read it with me. The man rode a tractor and planted corn in the scorching sunshine. How many words can you find in this sentence that has that or sound? I see 3 words. What are those 3 words? Tractor, good job. Corn, good job. And scorching, awesome job. Let's go ahead and read line 4. Read line 4 with me. The color of the paint was too bright to ignore. So go ahead and look for those words that have that or sound. How many do you find? I'm seeing 2. I'm seeing 2. Do you see 2? Which ones do you see? Color, good job, has that or. And ignore has that or sound. Good job. So now, for this next activity, you're going to need either a pencil and paper or a dry erase board, and we're going to practice writing some of the words we just talked about. So if you need to get those items, you can pause this video and go now. Okay, I'm going to say 6 words that you just read. So I want you to listen really carefully and use your best handwriting to write these words. You can either go ahead and write 1 to 6, or you can just write them individually as you go. And once we're finished, we will check them and see if you spelled them and wrote them correctly. Are you ready? Okay, number 1, score, score, score. Number 2, snort, snort, snort. Listen to all those sounds. Number 3, sport, sport, sport. Number 4, acorn, acorn, acorn. Number 5, stormy, stormy. And lastly, number 6, horsefly, horsefly. Alrighty, let's go ahead and check our work on this next slide. So check your work and see, how did you do? Great job. So now we're ready to reread The Big Store. So as you're reading this story, I want you to think about the order in which jobs are done at the big store. And is there a reason for that order? Read to find out.